New Zealand is a small island nation situated in the southwest Pacific. It is a country renowned for its spectacular and contrasting scenery. From snow-covered mountains to green rolling plains, from subtropical forests to subantarctic islands. From the lush rain-soaked west to the dry sun-drenched east, this country is best described as being near to paradise. When visitors to New Zealand are asked what lasting impressions they have of the country, they nearly always say that it is the clean and green feeling that they remember. With a diverse population of over 4 million people, New Zealand has built an economy that is based on primary production and tourism. These sectors rely heavily on presenting products to the world that are not only natural and sustainable, but are of the very highest quality. The farming industry in New Zealand is mostly based on intensive pastoral systems. From the dairy cattle and sheep farmed on the lush green pastures come some of the world's best-known farm products. Produced with the aid of a mild climate, many of these products are sold to discerning consumers worldwide. While nature can be kind to the farmers and livestock of New Zealand, there are times when it can also be a challenge. Most farm animals born in New Zealand arrive in spring, a time when nature can be unpredictable. This means that there can be a number of nature's casualties. A New Zealand company which has been able to harvest those casualties is Slinkskins Limited. With a network of processing factories around the country, Slinkskins Limited is able to convert the skins from lambs and calves into quality products that are able to be further processed by the world's best craftspeople. To enable the company to achieve that, a highly specialised tannery has been established at Thornbury in Southland. This factory processes all the skins from across the country. Once the skins arrive at the tannery from the various processing plants, the first step in the tanning process begins. This involves the skins being put into mechanical drums where they are washed and salted. From the drums they are put on tables where skilled workers begin grading the skins for quality, size and type. This is the first of many stages where the skins are assessed for their superiority and suitability for further processing. Following on from the salting, the skins are fleshed. This process involves the removal of excess fats and flesh material, leaving the skins more smooth and clean. It's important for the subsequent processes that the fleshing procedure is carried out with care and precision. The next step is pickling, a process which can vary in duration depending on requirements. Paddles ensure the stabilizer, which is added by hand, is distributed evenly. Tanning is the next part of the process. This is a sophisticated, closely monitored procedure which changes the skins into leather. A good tanning may be the difference between skins reaching superior quality or falling into more modest grades. At the Thornbury factory, every endeavour is made to ensure skins attain that superior grade. After tanning, the next process involves the skins being stretched back to their original size by being wheeled. This involves operators running the skins over stone wheels. Skill is required by the operators of the machines, as the skins can be damaged if the wheels are not used correctly. The skins are rechecked after washing and wheeled again to maintain high standards. While the process may look rough, it is essential in the conditioning of the skins for further processing. From the wheeler room, the skins are put into the dryer. The first of many times the skins may go through this stage. After the skins have completed their first drying, they are then transferred to the crusting room. It's here where operators use machines to remove the excess waste material from the skins. The next major process is the dyeing of the skins, but before that can happen they need to be graded into batches. This involves the skins being inspected by an experienced member of the staff who knows how the various types of skins will react with the many dyeing processes. This is again a precise process, as too much material removed could downgrade the skin. Not enough means the skin has to go through the crusting process again. Because a wide range of raw product is sourced by Slinkskins, this grading stage is important in maximising and utilising the potential of the skins. An integral component of the sophisticated dyeing operation is the technology used to test and trial new dye types and styles. At the Thornbury plant, this is carried out in a laboratory which is set up to simulate the dyeing process, but on a much smaller scale. The laboratory technicians at the plant have been at the forefront of pioneering and discovering new techniques used not only in the dyeing process, but at other stages throughout the factory. As well as trialling new dyes and processes, the personnel working in the laboratory are also responsible for the monitoring and sampling of the skins as they complete the various steps in the tanning cycle. This ensures that at all stages of the cycle, quality assurance is maintained to the highest degree. Once the correct dye formula for each batch has been decided upon, the skins are then put into the vats where the dye is introduced. The time spent in the vats depends on the effect and colour required on the skins. Again, this process is closely monitored to ensure the correct outcomes are achieved. At the completion of the dyeing process, the skins are once again taken to the drying or toggle room, where experienced handlers connect the toggles or steel pegs to the skins and to the drying frames. It's important that this step is carried out correctly. As the toggles are applied, the skins are stretched on the frames to ensure uniform drying and minimal shrinkage. They then enter the most important phase of their transition. The finishing processes can be varied, but all revolve around producing high quality skins which are able to be sold into the top markets of the world. The skins coming out of the dryer usually have a firm feel to them. To overcome that, they are softened and stretched in a machine which has a beating motion. Again, skilled operators are essential for this process. Other machines warm iron the skins to further soften and smooth the leather side of the skin into a condition that is svelte and smooth. At this point, many of the skins have the wool side carded. This is done by lifting the pile or texture of the wool to enhance its natural sheen. Some skins are also nappered. This is a finishing process which involves the skins being thinly sprayed with an enhancer. This helps to bring out the natural finish of the leather skins and can be repeated many times to achieve the desired effect. This process is computer controlled, with only minute amounts of enhancer being required. All of the processes which take place at this point in the cycle are designed to enhance the quality of the leather products. That's why a lot of emphasis is placed on ensuring these processes are working to perfection. The last step in the processing cycle at the Thornbury factory is the final grading and check before the skins are packed. This final check ensures that each skin meets the stringent quality controls that have been set by the company. Once each individual skin has been inspected, it can be packed with the certainty that it has attained the optimum condition under strict company protocols. This means that consumers worldwide can acquire with certainty a New Zealand product that is the very best money can buy.